Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside Canva with your design open, so let's act. First, make sure you're using the desktop interface because it exposes full link controls. Select the element you want to become a link. That could be a text box, shape, or button, and click the link icon in the top toolbar. Paste the URL into the field, then press Apply. Once done, you'll have a live link attached to that element ready for further adjustments. Now refine how the link behaves and where it applies. You can choose whether the link opens in a new tab when that option exists. That preserves the user's place. Make the clickable area clear by resizing the element or using a visible button background. And if you need the link on multiple pieces, select them and group them so one link covers all. Once grouped, reapply or confirm the link. Make sure to check alignment and space. Finish by choosing the correct export or sharing method so your link survives. Export as a PDF or use Canva's Share Get Link option. Image-only exports strip interactivity. Test the link in present mode and open the exported PDF to confirm it navigates correctly and make sure mobile testing works too. If a link isn't working, ungroup the element, reapply the URL directly, and avoid PNG/JPG downloads for interactive content. That troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.